Mabuting araw! Welcome to my fourth blog content featuring one of the most highly in-demand SSS benefits and highest numbered frequently asked questions based on my own experience, which is the maternity benefit. But what is maternity benefit? It is a daily cash allowance granted to a female member who is unable to work due to childbirth or miscarriage, emergency termination of pregnancy. Qualifying conditions. The member has paid at least 3 months of contributions within the 12-month period immediately before the semester of her childbirth or miscarriage, emergency termination of pregnancy. If employed, she must have given notification of her pregnancy through her employer. If she is separated from employment, she must fill out maternity benefit application online and tick or check already separated from previous employer, indicate date of separation, and choose previous employer. The amount of benefit. The amount of the member's daily maternity benefit allowance is equivalent to the average daily salary credit. The average monthly salary credit divided by 180 multiplied by 60 days for miscarriage or emergency termination of pregnancy, multiplied by 105 days for live birth, whether normal or cesarean section delivery, multiplied by 120 days for solo parent under RA 8972 or Solo Parents Welfare Act of 2000, 105 days plus 15 days. The maternity benefit is granted to a qualified female worker in every instance of pregnancy, miscarriage, or emergency termination of pregnancy regardless of frequency. Other supporting documents may be requested depending on your claim. Ug sa tanang babaeng miyembro sa SSS nga buntis o wala pa nanganak, dili nato kalimtan mag-notify sa SSS pinaagi sa Maternity 1 or pag-submit sa maternity notification gamit ang atong SSS portal. So aduna lamang 5 ka steps sa pag-file sa maternity notification. Una, i-search lang sa browser member.sss.gov.ph or sa my.sss account. Kaduha, login lang inyong user ID o password ug make sure naka-register na online sa SSS portal ug soon mauna pod ni ang ako ang next content unsaon pag-register sa SSS online account. Katulo, go to benefits ug i-click ang pinakaunang option nga mao ang submit maternity notification. Ikaapat, i-fill out lang ang EDD or expected date of delivery, indicate month, date, ug year. Ug kung gusto po ninyo, i-allocate ang portion sa inyong maternity leave credits nga aduna lamang maximum of 7 days. Ug ibutang ang kompletong pangalan sa imuhang tagaan niini. And choose relationship status if under child's father or alternate caregiver. Pero kung dili nimo ibuot i-allocate, skip lang kini o pilia diretso ang option na you want to avail the full SSS maternity benefit, then submit. So very easy and user-friendly. Now let's proceed to Maternity 2 or application of maternity benefit. Since naa naman ta sa SSS portal, step 1, go to benefits icon, then choose second drop-down list which is apply for maternity benefit and click proceed. If gusto ninyo mabalaan ang mga updated requirements, i-click lang ang click here to see documentary requirements nga makita ninyo sa screen. Step number 2, fill out date of delivery, miscarriage, ETP, and number of delivery and click proceed. Step number 3, select type of delivery if live birth and if you are a solo parent with allocated leave credits and number of allocated leave credits. If recently separated from your employer, check or tick already separated from the previous employer. Indicate date of separation and choose your previous employer from the drop-down list. If self-employed or voluntary members, including the OFW members, just skip the portion to answer already separated from your previous employer. And please take note, you don't need to secure the physical copy of the certificate of employment with no cash advance from your former employer for maternity benefit application only. Just inform them that you applied for SSS maternity benefit for them to be notified and acknowledge your online request via Employer Access. Once your previous employer acknowledges your request, it will take 3 to 5 working days or more to process your maternity benefit after the approval from the Medical Evaluation Department. However, it will depend on your selected disbursement accounts. Don't worry, if your employer fails to acknowledge your maternity benefit application or notification, upon the approval from the Medical Evaluation Department, it will take less than 12 calendar days or more depending on varying situations. If live birth ang type of delivery, kinahanglan i-upload lang ang proof of child's birth. If miscarriage or ATP, attach lang ang hospital or medical records, proof of pregnancy, and proof of termination of pregnancy. If stillbirth or fetal death, i-upload lang ang certificate of fetal death. And hoping and praying na dili sana mahitabo ni ing-ani nga panghitabo, no? And for corresponding requirements, please check the list of documentary requirements nga na-explain ganiha. Then select your disbursement account and proceed. Step number 4, attach documentary requirements from the checklist and upload documents based on the type of delivery na imuhang gipili. Kung pananglitan, live birth kini, i-upload lang ang LCR issued birth certificate with certified true copy together with official receipt if less than 6 months pa ang bata. If more than 6 months na kini, kinahanglan mo kuha na gita og PSA birth certificate with official receipt. Kung miscarriage or under stillbirth or fetal death kini, mag-upload na pud tag document na gipangayo sa system. Pahinumdom lang, kung aduna mo'y kalibugan sa mga documents na kailangan i-upload, huwag mahiyang magtanong sa pinakamalapit na SSS branch, most especially complicated or special case kini. And then lastly, click certify and submit. And wait for the confirmation via email. And make sure lang na active pa ang inyong mga email address para ma-receive or maka-receive mong update from time to time whether rejected or approved ang atong pag-file. If rejected, naka-indicate sa email ang reason of rejection and then resubmit with all necessary documents including the lacking documents. If approved, wait for the money to be processed and deposited on your selected disbursement account. Kung dili pa klaro sa inyoha ang computation sa maternity ug unsaon pag-qualify niini, just comment below and type part 2 for another content focusing sa computation and how to qualify for maternity benefit. And thank you so much for your unending support and see you sa next vlog mga kaibigan. Paalam.